Dealing with dandruff can be a persistent challenge, especially if you're looking for a solution that works effectively and fits seamlessly into your grooming routine. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 dandruff shampoos for men that target flakes, itching, and scalp irritation. Whether you're battling stubborn dandruff or just looking for a reliable product, these options offer powerful solutions. Let's dive into the best dandruff shampoos that can help you achieve a healthier, flake-free scalp. Kicking off our list at number 1, Head & Shoulders Clinical Strength. The Head & Shoulders Clinical Strength Shampoo is designed for severe dandruff and persistent scalp issues. It's a go-to choice for many who need a powerful formula to tackle intense flakes and itchiness effectively. Key features: this shampoo features 1% selenium sulfide, a potent ingredient that combats dandruff and fungal scalp conditions. It also includes a clinical strength formula that targets the root causes of dandruff, reducing irritation and flakiness. Its advanced formula helps maintain scalp health while offering long-lasting relief. Benefits and usage: apply to wet hair, lather well, and leave it on for 2 to 3 minutes before rinsing. This ensures that the active ingredients can work effectively. The shampoo provides relief from itching and reduces visible flakes, making it an ideal choice for those with severe dandruff issues. Regular use helps maintain a clean, flake-free scalp. Usability: the shampoo has a thick, creamy texture that lathers richly and rinses out easily. It has a clean, medical scent that is unobtrusive and fades quickly. Suitable for daily use, it's designed to be gentle on the scalp while providing strong anti-dandruff action. Durability: the 14.2-ounce bottle typically lasts about 1 to 2 months, depending on frequency of use. While it may be priced higher than standard shampoos, its effectiveness for severe dandruff makes it a worthwhile investment for those needing extra strength treatment. In the second spot, we have Nizoral AD Anti-Dandruff Shampoo. Nizoral AD Anti-Dandruff Shampoo is a well-known solution for combating dandruff and fungal infections on the scalp. It is often recommended for its effectiveness in treating stubborn dandruff with its potent active ingredient. Key features: this shampoo contains 1% ketoconazole, a broad-spectrum antifungal agent that targets the fungi responsible for dandruff. It also helps to reduce scalp inflammation and itchiness. Nizoral AD is designed to provide a deep clean while maintaining scalp health. Benefits and usage: apply to wet hair, lather, and leave for 5 minutes before rinsing. This allows the ketoconazole to penetrate the scalp and work against the fungus causing dandruff. The shampoo helps to eliminate flakes, reduce itching, and maintain a balanced scalp environment. Usability: the shampoo has a slightly thicker consistency and creates a rich lather. Its medicated scent is noticeable, but not overpowering. It is suitable for use 2 to 3 times a week, and it is recommended to follow the usage instructions for optimal results. Durability: a 7-ounce bottle usually lasts 1 to 2 months with regular use. Although it may be priced higher than some alternatives, the targeted treatment it provides for dandruff makes it a valuable choice for effective and long-term results. Coming in at number 3 is the Neutrogena Tea/Gel Therapeutic Shampoo. Neutrogena Tea/Gel Therapeutic Shampoo is formulated to tackle various scalp conditions, including dandruff, psoriasis, and seborrheic dermatitis. It is known for its therapeutic properties and effectiveness in treating persistent scalp issues. Key features: this shampoo contains coal tar, which helps to slow down the production of skin cells on the scalp and reduce inflammation. It is also formulated to be gentle on the scalp while providing effective relief from dandruff and other conditions. Its non-drying formula helps maintain moisture balance. Benefits and usage: apply to wet hair, massage into the scalp, and leave it on for 2 to 3 minutes before rinsing. The coal tar works to alleviate symptoms of dandruff and other scalp conditions. Regular use helps manage and reduce scalp flaking and irritation. Usability: the shampoo has a dark, tar-like appearance and a distinctive medicinal scent that may take some getting used to. It lathers well and rinses out easily without leaving residue. Suitable for daily use, it provides a therapeutic solution for persistent scalp issues. Durability, the 8.5-ounce bottle generally lasts 1 to 2 months, depending on usage frequency. Its specialized formula and effectiveness in treating various scalp conditions justify its price point, making it a reliable choice for long-term dandruff management. Taking our fourth spot is Selsun Blue Medicated Shampoo. Selsun Blue Medicated Shampoo is formulated to address dandruff and scalp irritation with its clinically proven ingredients. It is designed for those who need a reliable and effective solution to control flakes and itchiness. Key features: this shampoo contains 1% selenium sulfide, similar to Head & Shoulders Clinical Strength, which is effective in reducing dandruff and controlling scalp flaking. It also includes conditioning agents that help to soothe and protect the scalp while providing relief from dryness and irritation. Benefits and usage: apply to wet hair, lather thoroughly, and leave on for 2 to 3 minutes before rinsing. The shampoo works to control dandruff and reduce itchiness, offering visible improvement in scalp condition. Regular use helps maintain a flake-free and healthy scalp. Usability: the shampoo has a thick, creamy consistency that lathers well and rinses easily. It has a subtle, clean scent that is not overpowering. It is gentle enough for regular use and provides effective relief from dandruff and associated symptoms. Durability: the 12-ounce bottle typically lasts around 1 to 2 months with regular use. Its effective formula and reasonable price make it a great choice for those looking for a dependable anti-dandruff solution without breaking the bank. And finally, at number 5, we have Dove Men+Care Anti-Dandruff Shampoo. Dove Men+Care Anti-Dandruff Shampoo is designed specifically for men's hair and scalp needs, targeting dandruff while offering added care and hydration. It is formulated to tackle flakes and itching while providing a conditioning effect. Key features: this shampoo features parithione zinc, an active ingredient known for its antifungal properties that help control dandruff. It also includes moisturizing agents that hydrate the scalp and hair, making it suitable for daily use without drying out the hair. Benefits and usage: apply to wet hair, massage into the scalp to create a rich lather, and rinse thoroughly. The shampoo effectively controls dandruff while providing moisture and care to the scalp. Regular use helps maintain a healthy, flake-free scalp and soft, manageable hair. Usability: the shampoo has a smooth, creamy texture that spreads easily and rinses out without residue. It has a fresh, masculine scent that is subtle yet pleasant. It's designed to be gentle enough for daily use, making it a convenient option for ongoing dandruff control. Durability: the 12-ounce bottle usually lasts about 1 to 2 months, depending on frequency of use. Its combination of effective dandruff control and conditioning benefits, along with a reasonable price, makes it a practical choice for those seeking a comprehensive solution for their scalp care. Managing dandruff doesn't have to be a constant struggle. The right shampoo can make a world of difference in achieving a flake-free, healthy scalp. These top 5 dandruff shampoos for men offer effective solutions to tackle dandruff and maintain a well-nourished scalp. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more expert reviews and hair care tips. Thanks for watching, and here's to a healthier, dandruff-free scalp.